Hello student, welcome you back in this physics video, and in today's video we will learn about the relationship between linear velocity and angular velocity. This linear velocity, it is the velocity of a particle along straight path. So it is linear velocity given by v, while this angular velocity, so this is given by that of omega. Okay, so we want to derive that relationship between these two velocities. So for this purpose, student, let us suppose that we are having, this is the circular path. So in this circular path, there is the fixed center, it is O, and let us suppose that radius of this circular path, it is going to be r, and the body is initially at A. Now when the time is 0, okay, so this body, it goes from A to B along this curved path, and it reaches over there at this B position. So therefore its two position is going to form an angle with the center. So this angle, it is known as that angular displacement. So let us suppose this is the small angular displacement, it is delta theta, and the time in which it reaches to this B point, let it be delta t, and the that path it has moved along this curve from A to B, let it to be delta s. Okay, this is that path which is has moved over there. Okay, so what will be the angular speed then, student? So this angular velocity or angular speed which we are having, it is given by that of angular displacement upon by that change in time. So this angular displacement done by within this time delta t. Okay, now what will be the linear velocity over here? तो लीनियर वेलोसिटी हमारे पास क्या है यहाँ पर? सो लीनियर वेलोसिटी इज गिवन बाय दैट डिस्प्लेसमेंट, लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन में दैट टाइम. तो इसने ए से बी कितना मूव किया अलॉन्ग द पाथ, सो इट इज गिवन एज डेल्टा एस. दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट अलॉन्ग दिस पाथ अपॉन में दैट टाइम टेकन टू गो फ्रॉम ए टू बी, इट इज डेल्टा टी. So thus we are having, this is velocity, and therefore one more information which we are going to use. How do we find out this angle of this small portion of the circular track? Okay, so this angle, it is given by that arc upon में radius. So it is arc is AB upon में radius is R. So AB length, it is given to us that it is small displacement upon में that R. Okay, this is delta theta over here, or either we can mention this delta as it is R delta theta. Okay, so this is this displacement from A to B. So here we have taken that this angular displacement is small, so therefore this displacement along the path, it will be almost small and straight. Okay, so therefore displacement is r delta theta. Then we can write this velocity as, put the value here, r delta theta upon में delta t. As delta theta by delta t, it is said to be angular speed. Therefore this velocity is equal to r omega. So this is that relationship between that velocity which is along straight path and that which is along this circular path. And in vector notation we can also write this as in vector, that it is velocity vector is equal to, so over here omega vector cross r vector. Okay, this is the vector form. Remember over there, if you will interchange the position, so the answer will have negative sign. Okay, so it means first will come angular velocity, thereafter it is this radius. Okay, so when this linear velocity will be maximum, as we are known over there कि हमारे पास ये क्या होता है ओमेगा आर साइन थीटा, तो मैक्सिमम के लिए हमारे पास क्या होगा, ये चीज़ 1 होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास जो लीनियर वेलोसिटी है वो मैक्सिमम कब होगी, जब हमारे पास जो साइन थीटा है उसकी वैल्यू मैक्सिमम हो जाएगी। इसका मतलब है जो एंगुलर स्पीड है वो परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस रेडियस ऑफ दैट सर्कुलर पाथ होना चाहिए। लेट अस टू सॉल्व दिस न्यूमेरिकल। एक स्कूटर इस सर्कुलर पाथ के अलोंग जाता है जिसका रेडियस 10 मीटर है और उसमें जो स्पीड है उसकी लीनियर वो 30 मीटर पर सेकेंड है। एंगुलर स्पीड क्या होगी, ठीक है। तो लीनियर स्पीड जो है वो आर ओमेगा होती है, ठीक है, और ओमेगा जो है वो वी अपॉन में आर हो जाएगी। सो वी इज़ गिवन 30 एंड आर इज़ ऑफ 10, दस इट इज़ 3 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. This is angular speed over there. Let us to solve over here this another question. Wheel complete 120 revolution in 1 minute. Calculate its angular speed. तो एक व्हील जो गाड़ी का टायर है वो 1 मिनट में 120 120 राउंड कंप्लीट करता है, ठीक है। तो उसकी एंगुलर स्पीड क्या है? तो एंगुलर स्पीड स्टूडेंट हमारे पास ओमेगा, और जो यहाँ पर हमारे पास गिवन है, ठीक है, तो ये गिवन टर्म हमारे पास क्या है? फ्रीक्वेंसी, ठीक है। तो इसमें क्या बोला गया? दिस कंप्लीट्स 120 रेवोल्यूशन इन 1 मिनट। 1 मिनट मीन्स 60 सेकेंड, ठीक है। तो हमारे पास 1 सेकेंड में वो कितनी कंप्लीट कर रहा है? सो दैट इट इज़ 2 रेवोल्यूशन पर सेकेंड, okay, or either we will say it is 2 hertz. This is the frequency. So frequency is given to us in this question. So angular speed, student इसका फार्मूला अभी हमने डिराइव किया, it is 2 pi f and which is equals to 2 into pi. यहाँ पे जो पाई है स्टूडेंट उसकी वैल्यू 3.14 यूज़ करनी है, और f is there which is into 2. Okay, so thus we will obtain our answer which is there 12.56 and that the units are radian per second. Okay, so that's all from my today's video, student. Thanks for watching this video.